Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today we're going to open box another camera. This time it's going to be Wyze Cam V3. Okay, the latest version of this camera. This is outdoor version. If you haven't seen my Lorex camera video, make sure you check that out. I will put that link in the description. So this time we're going to open this box and we're going to show you how to install it, and also I'm going to show you the sample video too. So make sure you watch the entire video, okay? And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming with so many videos so that you can get notification if you click that ring bell button, okay? So make sure you subscribe. So let's go and check out this new Wyze Cam V3. Let's go. Okay. So let's open the box. It's a pretty small box, you know, very small box. Let's open. There's a seal. I just opened the seal just to see what's inside. There's a quick start guide comes with it, and you can open this. So this is the camera right here. So let's see. This is the entire camera. Okay, comes off. The package, it's very simple, basic package. This is the camera, and this it's a lug. You can extend it. Okay, you can put it like this, or you can, if you have a screw, you can hang it there. That's pretty much the camera. And let's see the cable. This one is a USB, regular USB, so you can plug in any USB to it. But let's see what else inside. So there's a mounting brackets. It's a magnet actually, so you can mount this one and then you can attach this to it. Okay, next we have a USB cable, pretty long USB cable. Okay, it's pretty long, and you should have a charger, or there's a sticker comes with it, so if you want to glue it to some surface, you can do that. And also, let's see, what is this? There's some screws if you want to screw it to something, and there's a USB adapter. Okay, so I'm going to install this thing outside my backyard. I'm going to install this and then I'm going to show you rest of the stuff. Okay, there's a quick start guide. It's pretty simple how to do this thing. I already have a Wyze Cam, indoor Wyze Cam, so I don't have to download this app. So if you look at it, I have a Wyze Cam right there. So that's indoor, that you can turn the tilt and angle, all the rotations, you can do that. But this one is pretty stable. I mean, you're just gonna attach somewhere, it's gonna stay just like that. So let's go outside and install this. Okay, let's go. All right guys, I installed my camera here. It's under the gazebo. Okay, I have the Lorex camera outside. It's this one, since I have the gazebo here, it's a blind view, so that's why I'm installing one outside. I installed it and then I plug into my outlet right here. Okay, let's go add the devices. This one is a Wyze Cam app. You can download it and you can set it up. Since I said I already have it, I showed you the camera. If you want to add a new device, you click add device. Then you're gonna look for camera. Wyze has so many other stuff. So this one is Wyze Cam V3. You click that. So once I plugged it in, it says shortly after it's flashing red. So if you look at it, it's flashing red right now. Okay, then you click next. It says press setup under your camera. So if you go under the camera, if you turn here, there's a setup button right here. You click that.
Ready to connect.
Says ready to connect. So I heard that voice. You click it. Allow your location. You say it. Okay, allow while using the app. Then Haven of Nariel Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna put the password for the Wi-Fi. So you're gonna scan this QR code with the camera right now. So I'm just gonna take out this tab. Let it scan it.
QR code scan.
So it says QR code is scanned and please wait. I had QR code scan. Click next. Right now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It's gonna take some time. Okay, it says my VCam said setup completed. So it came right here. So I'm just gonna put deck camera. So deck camera. Okay, and this is going to be in the backyard. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can choose options is already there, but I'm just gonna put deck cam. You're gonna click finish. I'm just gonna this one asks you if you want to share with your family or friends. I'm gonna click maybe later. So now it's gonna connect right here. So there's a new firmware version is available, so I'm just gonna click upgrade. It's gonna just going to upgrade it. Okay, so let's upgrade it, then I'll show you the live view. So the update is done. It says congratulations, you have earned a badge. So Wyze cam V3, so you click that. So I have two cams, as you can see. So let's click the deck cam. So this one is a live view. I'm gonna rotate it. You know, if you look at it, it's high definition, pretty clear. Really nice cam, and pretty simple. So you can zoom in, you can see me. All right, it's pretty nice quality, clarity, and everything. And you can view playback. You can click this. So there's no micro SD installed. So if you install a micro SD, you can have you can have it recorded. Okay, and also you can speak. Hello. Hello. See, can you hear that? Yeah. So you can talk to someone here, and then you can also hear what they're talking. So it's really nice camera. Okay. So that's all about it. It's pretty simple. So I have two cameras right now. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And it's just a very reliable camera, very high quality, and it's cheap. It's affordable camera, $35. You can beat this camera with that price too. And really easy to work with this app. Pretty simple, straightforward, easy to set it up, and a nice quality. And this one is waterproof, so you can have it outside. It's just that you need to have some kind of power to it. That's the only thing. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming with another beautiful video. Till then, it's me, Aldous, and Ethan. Say bye.
Bye-bye.